Hello and welcome to With My Plant. Today we are going to understand the concept of alternation of generation in plants, or we can say in plant kingdom. Okay, let's start. So before digging into the topic, let's understand the two phases of plant life cycle. Okay, so the plant, they complete their life cycle in two phases or two type of body. One is gametophytic, another is sporophytic. This gametophytic body is having one set of chromosome number, and this sporophytic body is having two sets of chromosome number. Okay, and they change their in the life cycle, in the plant life cycle, they change their body from gametophytic to sporophytic phase. So to become to N, from N they used to undergo in syngamy, whereas from sporophytic to gametophytic phase they used to go under meiosis. Okay, so this is the whole concept of alternation of generation. Okay, so this gametophytic body will produce your gamete, whereas sporophytic body will produce your spore. As per the dominance of these phases in plant life cycle, there are three type of plant, or there are three categories. One is haplontic, second is diplontic, third is haplodiplontic. So let's understand the concept of haplontic. So as the name suggests, the major part of the life cycle will be in N phase. That means it is a gametophytic phase, but a small part will be covered by the sporophytic phase. Okay, so as I told, the gametophyte, to come from the gametophytic phase to sporophytic phase, there will be syngamy. So two single N will fuse or undergo syngamy and produce 2N or zygote. Okay, and again through meiosis they will become N. Through meiosis they will become N. Okay, so this is haplontic life cycle. So basically what is happening, this N phase or this haploid phase is having a free body. Okay, and it is an independent body. Okay, so this haploid body is that may be multicellular and they are free living, whereas this 2N is not independent and they are not having any independent body. That is why the life cycle is dominated by this N phase, and this is called as haplontic. So the example of haplontic are algae. In algae, volvox and spirogyra. Okay, now coming to the diplontic life cycle. So what is happening in diplontic? As the name suggests, most of the life cycle is covered through 2N phase. That means it is a sporophytic phase. So to come from 2N to N, it will undergo meiosis and produce N. Okay, and N, or you can say gametes. Now these gametes, through mitosis they will multiply their number, and two single N or two single gamete they will fuse through syngamy and produce a 2N body, and most of the life cycle will be covered through this 2n body, and this 2n body is independent and free living. But this n is not free living. Okay, so the example is all the gymnosperm and angiosperm. Okay, the third is haplodiploidic. As the name suggests, half or almost half of the body or half of the life cycle is haploid and half is diploid. So the example of haplodiploidic is basically the bryophytes and pteridophytes. So this is all about the alternation of generation. I hope you understood the concept in a simplest manner. You can say I have tried to make you people understand. If even if there is any doubt, just comment below. I'll try to solve those. Thank you.